This is the entire point of the study. Week 1, the confident kids started hesitating, second-guessing themselves. Week 2, they stopped talking in class, started having nightmares. One mother reported her daughter was asking, "Am I stupid?" over and over. The formerly quiet kids were different though. They were raising their hands, volunteering answers. Their parents said it was like watching them wake up. One kid who used to hide under his desk during group activities was literally teaching other students how to solve problems. By week 3, the transformation was complete. A little boy named Kai, who used to bound into the lab, started flinching every time an adult spoke to him. During one session, a researcher said, "Kai, can you hand me that ball?" And he burst into tears. A girl named Sophie, who'd spent the first 6 months silent and withdrawn, was now organizing games at recess, making friends, bringing in drawings to show everyone. The researcher told us, this is what 1 year of verbal abuse does to a child's brain. It rewires their entire sense of self-worth in 90 days. She showed us brain scans side by side. The criticized kids had less activity in the prefrontal cortex, the part that handles decision-making and confidence. The praised kids showed increased neural connections, stronger stress responses, better emotional regulation. I watched a 7-year-old who used to skip into the lab start flinching every time an adult spoke to him. Another grad student asked, "What happens now? Do you switch them back?" The lead researcher went quiet for a long time. Then she said, "The study ends here. The ethics board shut us down this morning. But those kids don't get switched back. The parents were told the full methodology, signed releases, but the damage is already done. Some of these kids will spend years in therapy trying to undo 90 days of controlled psychological harm." I asked if I could see the kids one last time, say goodbye, but they said no. The less disruption, the better. I left that day and never went back. Couldn't even spend the $200. It felt like blood money. That was 8 years ago, and I still think about those kids every single day. I wonder if Kai ever stopped lynching, if Sophie kept that confidence, or if it faded without the constant reinforcement. I looked up a study last year to see if they ever published the results. They didn't. The whole thing was buried. Sealed records, confidential settlements. Somewhere out there are 20 kids in their teens now who have no idea why they are the way they are. And I'm one of 6 people who knows exactly what was done to them.